Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Topaz Photo AI presets for matching skin tones, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, launch Topaz Photo AI on your computer. Open the image you wish to edit by clicking on the File menu and selecting Open. Navigate to the Presets section located on the left-hand side of the interface. Scroll through the available presets to find options that suit your desired outcome. Select a preset that closely matches the skin tone you want to enhance. Click on the preset to apply it to your image. Review how the preset affects the skin tones in your photo. If the skin tones look unnatural or not quite right, proceed to fine-tune it. Locate the Adjustments panel, which allows for further modifications. Use the sliders to adjust settings such as exposure, contrast, and warmth. Pay particular attention to the settings that impact skin tones specifically. Adjust the saturation to bring balance to the skin color. Use the hue rotation slider to correct any unwanted color casts. Zoom in on the skin areas to ensure the adjustments look natural. Once satisfied with the adjustments, save your edited image. Click on the File menu and select Save as to keep your original photo intact. Choose your preferred file format and quality settings. Make sure to name your file distinctly to avoid confusion. Finally, click Save to export your edited image with the new skin tone adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.